Welcome to LITSOFT Consultancy. We provide SAP online training. Today we will discuss about SAP Business Partner. This is UL Ready. And we will be having so very much a simplification of XD01 and a business partner and how we can make it very simple. And the discussion about SAP ECC Customer, not in detail, but relevancy with the SAP S4 HANA BP. We will be using this spreadsheet and the comparison with the 2015 before 2015 after S4 HANA ECC and how things and what are the steps are getting into this. Let's connect with the course content. So we have here in the SAP SD in the course BP Master, and let me get into preview. There is a free one, and yeah, let me go to straight direct to BP configuration. Yeah, and parallelly, let me open this SAP S4 HANA Business Partner, right? And now we can see. So here we know about so earlier what we used to do XD01, 02, 03 for create, change, and display, and we had account group perspective, right, with OVT0 and the number ranges XDN1, and the number range and the partner determination assignment to the account group. We used to do all these things, right? Now coming to here, so let's complete these activities first and we will see the comparison. Okay, so what is this? Account group OVT0, XD0, XDN1 and OVT0. That's fine. And now once we complete this one, we will get into this, right? So let me go here. Yeah. Now after that one, the comparison to understand account group in the ECC, let's say we will be having Z006, that is a domestic account group, for example, right? And this will be having the number range as a 06 as a code and 601 to 700, and I have taken this, right? And we will come to the point, just to keep a glance on this external why I have written here. And coming to this parallel thing, the same thing here, and so to have the number sequence, and we will be having the continuity here, but this and this are same. And what is extra in the SAP S4 HANA? You will see here. So we are creating, already we discussed this one, and the continuity here, BP role. Okay, that's a color combination. Okay, so this is for SAP S4 HANA. The BP role we will be created. What is BP role and what is number range? BP grouping and number range. So we will connect with the system and further we can deep dive into that. And the role will be whether it is a customer, vendor, employee. Okay, so all these different type of partner, business partner. So it will be categorized as a BP role. Then for this BP role, and so we will be having the connection about the number range and the BP grouping. Now earlier we have the account group. Now we will be having the same, just a comparison as a simplification what I said. So you go for the BP grouping and the number range. Okay, BP grouping is nothing but account group at the business partner level S4 SAP S4 HANA. And what I am going to create here, it is the same Z006, Z006, for example, right? And then I will be having the 06. Okay, and the standard also you can use that. That will be fine. Then this number range I have created and assigned it. Now the ECC account group is nothing but the customer account group. Instead of ECC, just so we will change the gear here, and the customer account group and the BP group. Okay, so these both are already assigned with their respective number range, and number range should be the similar, and account group specific, that should be external, and BP number range should be internal. With this one, what will happen is, okay, and this number range and this number range will be synchronized. Okay, otherwise both internal, both external, that doesn't synchronize. This is a mechanism of this. Then you will go to master data synchronization. Here what you will do is you will link BP grouping and account group. This is a BP grouping and this is an account group. Okay, so with BP to customer direction, so you will do what? So Z006, Z006, you will assign these two. Is nothing but grouping of both the accounts, so will be done. And now let's get into the system, and we will see at the same time to have this one of the interview question here. So where do you make a BP grouping and account group? So will we make as a same number, whether it is a customer or vendor. Okay, same number checkbox will be there. That don't forget that, and you need to click on that. And now if you go here, and already we have seen this, and coming to here, define BP role, and the BP role we are creating. And let me parallelly have the system here. Okay. First, initially, instead of getting into your specific configuration, let's understand one. This is there, okay? One of the thing, yeah. What I am having here, okay, grouping level we will come. So you will be having this organization, this grouping and BP role. So have the understanding between these two first. So this grouping is relevant for the account group earlier in the ECC perspective, right? OVT0 perspective. Instead of ECC, OVT0 perspective, account group is having the number range. Here, groupings are having the number range. This is a SAP standard as a best practices level. BP01, BP02, 03, 04, about lower range, standard and high range and all. Let me go with this one BP02, internal number for standard use, right? This internal number, so when you create within the SAP system, it will give the internal number range. And the same number, okay, we will get into that, right? And now for this particular BP02, if I want a grouping as a customized, I can go for, okay, so something Z001 or something, whatever it is, and you can create your specific the relevant grouping. And for that grouping, and you will be having the create a BP role. What is a BP role? Understanding. So we will be having BP role will be having the category. So one is, so you will be having general here, and let's go to here F series. Yeah, customer vendor will be there. So let me cancel that. Yeah, yeah. Now see here. All zeros is nothing but it is a general data. FLCU00 is a customer, finance accounting is nothing but company code data, and the customer sales area data. Okay, this configuration is there in the BP configuration. So if you want to use just a standard and go ahead and you will use 1, 2 and 3. And if you want to do the customization and you do the customization, let me keep like this. And yeah, ZB22 2. Okay, so let me use this ZB2. And here, if I go to FL level, FLC00, this is financial accounting. If I click on this one, what will happen is, let's say, create for this particular customer, and you will be having the company code data. Yeah, company code information. And if you will be having here F series, the customer, and you will be having the sales area data. Already you know about XD01, 02, 03 if you are already earlier ECC and already having the experience. If it is okay, so fresher and who is just okay, so learning SAP S4 HANA. So this is a process. So once you understand about, okay, so these areas, how all these sales area and assignment and all these things, and you need to getting into the configuration. You will understand about, okay, so business perspective, what is overall BP and its framework structure and all. Now you will understand why we are doing the configuration. Otherwise, what will happen is, okay, you don't know about the 360 degrees picture and you will do the configuration, you will come. Okay, so that understanding is one area. And my understanding is, okay, so let's understand first what you need, then getting into the configuration. Yeah. So I will go to SPRO here. Yeah. Now, so cross application components. Yeah. So if you want generally, so you can adjust as that is the preview. Okay. In the cross application components, okay, so you will be having the business partner here. Okay. In this business partner, go inside and go for the basic settings. Okay. This is a business partner role and we have the number ranges. These two, just have a glance on this and define BP roles. Do you really need to create the BP role or can I use my standard? So in this, you can go for the standard, right? For this video. Already, if you want to see, just okay. So these are the created, customized. Okay. There is no much value add, but if at all really business need, then okay, so you will go for the copy of the standard. Yeah, I'll go for this. Now, FLC 00 is a finance, right? Let me double click and understand a little bit about this, right? And FLCU 00, this customer 00 is nothing but what? Financial account specific and role category. Role category is FLCU 00. Now I will go here. This is a role category we are saying, right? Role category got assigned to BP role. Now I am going to role category FLCU, and within this one, I'll go inside. And what I'm seeing here, yeah, 00 is nothing but the general data, right? And here the assignment, different type, general data, company code data, sales area data, and all these are there, right? You can assign here. And you know whether it is the person level, group level, or organization level, vendor organization, customer organization, which level you want to create the business partner. Okay, so this is one of the concept. Then that's more than enough. This is not needed. Yeah. So you will understand about this category. One more category we will see about customer. In this customer, FLCU 01, yeah. So organizations are there. Okay. Right. Now let me go back. And these are the okay, so general additional categories. Okay, so what I have created. Now I'm doing nothing there. Yeah. I'll come to number range. Before number range, just to follow what we have here. Right. And we'll come to this one. Okay, so let me complete that process. So that is a prerequisite, right? So I will go to OVT0. Okay, so 0001, you know about the sold to party, and this I am copying, and this 0001 I will put as, I will enter as J006. This is what my concept is. And number ranges, so far we are not created. Let me save here. Yeah, yeah. And those who know already XD01, they know, but okay, so for the newcomers, just I am giving the glance about, okay, so you can control all these fields here for general data, company code data, and sales area data. You can play with that one, which one is mandatory, optional, and all these hidden, and you can play. And all these information you can see, okay, so here all these and explore, and we will get into this number range, right? Now I will go for /o xdn1, the second step, the number range. What are the number ranges we have? All these are there. Okay, so now let me go for this is interval. That's it. That is display, and this is insert. Okay, let me put as 06, let's say, and my number range here, for example, I will start with as a 6. It is a 601, and to 700. Okay, just. And what more, one more thing is, now already you have here what I'm mentioning here, have a glance on this, right? So now this is a point. For the specific account group, customer account group level, this you put as external, which will take the number for the BP, right? Now this is my 06 and I am putting this. Let me put as I enter and my 06 601 700. This is fine. Let me save this. I am good with this, right? And this 06 in the my business partner level. So this is what this BP is, as I mentioned, is this from the best practice, the BP external, right? And you have very good document, best practices document about the BP with SAP. Yeah, so you can have access that, and this I have taken save. I'm good with this. Overall, account group completed, number range completed, and I am not creating any partner determination. That is okay. So another a small session. Okay, then standard SAP AG, and you will be having here, okay, so partner determination, and the AG I am taking with the double 006, and all this is fine. Now, once you are getting into this, now that's completed. Now coming to our BP role. BP role standard I am taking. Then you are going for the number ranges. Define number ranges, and yeah, define number ranges. You see BP number range 06, and the same number you need to take. That is key here. Okay, number range. I am going here. You don't have 06, same 06, 06, and 601 and 700. Yeah. Do you give external here? No. Don't do that mistake. That should be at the customer level, not the BP level. Go back. We are good. Now, once this completed, what is the step next we are doing? Number range completed. And here account group we are assigned. Here BP grouping, number range assignment we need to do, right? And let me go inside and see what is there inside. So here BP grouping like is nothing but account group, and here the number range is there. What is my BP grouping? Z006, right? Do you see here? No? Then shall I go for the new entry here? Yeah. No, I'll go for new entry for BP02, for example. Internal number I am taking, and my number range here is 06. As this is a BP assignment, for the BP we are assigning the number range like OBT0, how we have assigned the number range. Yeah, good. Then I'll go back. Now, after completion of this, what I am saying here, so this part is completed. Then you are going to do what? Master data synchronization. Here in the master data synchronization, as I mentioned, so BP grouping and account group means this one and this one for the BP to customer. So we are ensuring that one, it should be having the same number, and okay, so assign each other Z006 and within this master data synchronization, where you need to go customer vendor integration. Yeah, so you will be having the path here, no need to worry. So go here, and this is a path, field assignment and all that stuff. Now let me go here. Okay, business partner settings. Okay, setting for customer integration and field assignment, then account keys. Okay, now BP to customer. Now you see this a little bit, just a little confusion, but you need to see that. Customer vendor integration, this field assignment, assign keys, define number ranges, BP to customer. Yeah. So now I am going here. After coming here, do I have my Z006? No, right? So let me take my Z006 here, let's say, or new entry, you can go whatever it is, right? And what is my account group? Is the same thing. Just for easy understanding purpose, I kept this one. My account group Z006 and grouping is Z006, right? Okay. Now, this is also same number. This is what I am saying about. Okay, so you need to click on this checkbox, and I hope all the steps completed now, right? Now you need to create BP. Now let me try this one. Click on BP transaction code. Even if you put XD01, it will go there only, right? And it will direct to BP. Yeah, you can try that. Now let me go for this and customer test. It's okay. And customer domestic this guy. Let's say, yeah, I'm creating the US customer. Yeah, and English mandatory here, or whatever the language what you have chosen, right? Now you see here, oh, this is ZB2 default, right? So mine is Z006, Z06, you can say Z006, and this is a general. Is nothing but general data, the address level. Okay, so whatever we needed, so we have done that, and yeah, okay, you can see your address. Let me save this. 601 created. And what was my number range here? 601. Yeah, this 601, as this is the first number in this one customer, right? Then I will go for this C. Don't confuse. Then click on change mode, because I have saved there. And you will come to F series, FLCU00 accounting, right? In this accounting, click on company code, and you will give your company code. My company code is all eights, let's say. Yeah, so you can see here. I cannot of this. And just to give reconciliation account, this is very standard information you can enter. And okay, so if you want, you can save. Otherwise, go for general data. Yeah. Now I am going for what? FLC customer specific. And what you are getting here? Sales and distribution. Perfect. And what is my sales area? Yeah. Okay. Now just have whatever relevant information. Okay, USG customer specific and customer pricing procedure. If at all anything mandatory, you can give. Otherwise, it's okay. And yeah, I will give my delivery priority and my client. Let's say this one, my shipping conditions. I will give. Okay, that's fine. Whatever the relevant information, complete delivery and all. Okay. Then coming to billing, and you will be having your Incoterms, right? So I can go for, let's say, one of the thing. Oh, what is this? Incoterms version. Oh, let me go for Incoterms. Let me enter here, and I will put the location. But yeah, just explain that. And I have tax classification at the bottom, and you can have domestic, and my classification is yes. And I will go for my partners. Okay, see, the partner number has not come. Okay, what is this here? Fill partner ID for partner role SP for 601 all aids. All aids for SP, partner ID is not there. Okay, so let me just quickly go to partner determination here. Z006 is a new account group. Okay, so then you need to do partner determination. So let's say I'll go here and click on change, and you will be having account group function assignment, right? Other things, if you want to see, okay, so this is anyway standard, and this is partner procedure, and partner procedure and the function assignment, right? And yeah, Z006. Okay, what do you have? So AG account group function assignment. Go here, do you have anything here about Z006, right? SP Z006. You don't have. Just go for the new entries and partner function, sold to party, ship to party, then give your bill to party. Okay, my account group is Z006. And take this, you just enter this. The number of times you need to enter so that it will perform. Oh, it is not shipped. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, data is saved. Let me go back. I don't think further anything is needed. If needed, we will come. Yeah, that's a good part at least. Okay, so we got some error and I could able to see what is the link, right? And we can save it. Yeah. So now you got the customer 601. I will go back and I will again enter BP and see my 601 entries. This is my customer and you will be having, okay, so your customer information. This is sales area data and this is general data, all its company code, right? And if you want to see about your finance specific, and you will go for this, yeah, and company code data. Yes, then I think we are good with this one. And the action point within this one, what you can do is, okay, each and everything without assigning. Okay, so at one time you should not mention about action point. It is nothing but, okay, so how to learn further for the any fresher or anyone wanted to, okay, so test the system. Same number, don't put the tick mark, do it. Like partner determination, I have not entered for the new account group. If already earlier account group, no need, but you got the error. Okay, so that is one thing. And if at all any questions comes, and the question should be like that. And the number ranges I will maintain differently. You maintain differently and check it. And external number I have not clicked here, external. Okay, so what will happen, these type of questions, and okay, for what you will assign your number ranges for the business partner. Business partner, you have the BP role and a BP grouping. Okay, for what you will assign question. Okay, and the account group equivalent thing, what is there in the business partner, the BP grouping is there. And you, okay, so where do you uh, make assignment for the BP account and account for the customer? BP account this one and account for the customer. Where do you do master data synchronization? These type of questions will be expected at the configuration perspective. Yeah. So you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just please reach out to me. And thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.